The 2025 FOTING Electric Power Washer is a powerful cleaning tool, boasting 4,500 psi and 3.2 gallons per minute, making it ideal for deep cleaning tasks around the home. With 5 versatile spray modes, including a detergent tank, this washer allows you to effortlessly switch from light to heavy-duty cleaning, offering optimal performance on various surfaces. The smart safety system ensures peace of mind by automatically shutting off when idle, conserving energy and extending the pump's lifespan, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Its extended reach, featuring a 23-foot hose and a 35-foot cord, provides convenience for cleaning large areas or vehicles without having to frequently move the washer. The portable and compact design, complete with a wheeled trolley and organizational features, makes it easy to move, store, and maintain, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Perfect for cleaning cars, fences, driveways, patios, and more, this power washer is a versatile tool that saves water and energy while tackling tough grime effortlessly.